at one stage we're all beginners and there's a lot of common mistakes.
Yeah, so I think these are the top beginner's mistakes and how to avoid doing them.
Oh my gosh, it's so steep.
Yeah, don't forget to lower your saddle when riding down steep sections. It's much easier with a dropper post. At the push of a button, you can get the seat down and out of the way. It'll give you much more confidence being able to get behind the saddle. If you don't have a drop seat post, either take a tool with you, or even better than that, get a quick release and just pop that saddle down before you drop in. With your seat up, it's really hard to get your hips back, which then means your center of gravity is right down here by that front wheel, and that's not very safe. So dropping the saddle, getting your hips further back, now means your center of gravity is actually back in the middle of the bike.
It's not all about gear, but there's a few things that will help your ride be that little bit more comfortable. First off, we've got padded shorts. Overlooked, but it'll give you that little extra comfort on your ride. Next, shorts. After that, GMBN jersey for sure. After that, we've got knee pads. Doesn't matter which ones, as long as they give you protection. Next, shoes, clips or flats. After that, gloves. Last but least, helmet. Then you need a bike.
There you go.
And then you're set.
So all those items that I have mentioned are not essential, but there is one very important one, and that is the helmet. I never leave my house without a lid on my head.
Getting the right footwear is actually quite important. If you ride flats, they don't have to be mountain bike specific shoes. Anything with a big flat sole is going to give you a good amount of grip on the pedal. If you go for clips, it's really important to get the right shoes and pedals for the sort of riding you're going to do. And I would always recommend going for quite a big pedal. You can see on this Crank Brothers Mallet E, you've got a big cage around the outside, so I can actually feel that on the bottom of my shoe. So it gives me that bit of extra grip. The really lightweight, small cross-country pedals and carbon fibre sole shoes look great. They're very light, but they can be quite hard to clip in. And also you've got zero grip should you not be clipped in. Getting a few basics set up well on your bike will make a big difference to how well it rides. So think about tyre pressures, cockpit setup, so your brake levers and gear shifters, and also saddle height. Handily, we've done videos on all of those subjects.
Although having a great bike shop, relying on them to fix everything, no. Learn how to fix your own inner tubes, do your own gear cable, fix your chain, plus you get to know your bike a lot more. We've also done videos on all of that.
One really common mistake is to not take enough food or water. So you challenge yourself to go for a big ride, but if you don't fuel it properly, you're going to feel fatigued, and you're not going to be able to get as far.
Ew.
Blake,
Wait, down here. I've run out of water. Have you got any snacks? Ah, cheers, mate. Have you got any water? I've run out. Oh, cheers, mate. So there are a few beginner mistakes and how to avoid them.
Yeah, just a bit of a recap. Always think about lowering your saddle for steep downhills, and getting the right gear does make a big difference.
Yeah, bike setup and maintenance. Do it yourself. It's great. And food.
Don't forget your water.
Yes, water.
Click on the GMBN logo here to subscribe to the channel. It's totally free. And if you click down here, that'll take you through to a maintenance video, how to change your gear cable.
And click here, how to ruin a ride.
Give us a thumb up like if you enjoyed this video.